Oi! What did I tell you? Go away! This is my area! Oi! You! Yeah, the furry one! Go! Yes! This is my area! I am patrolling here! What did I tell you? Why don't you listen? Oi! I'm so scared! I'm so scared! I don't know what to do myself! I'm so scared! I'm so scared! I'm so bullied! One for me. One for me. And for me again. And for me again. And for me again. I saw what you did there. Can I have some, please, too? Please, please. Yes. I'm so scared. Thank you. Bye. Hello, lady. For me too. Yes, please. For me too. Yes, yes. Bye.
Venga con me, Armada. La food. Conquer la food. Yes, boys. Yes. La food. See, see.
This is fun here. This is fun. We are playing hide and seek. Me and Mr. Pigeon. Ooh, ooh, this is so much fun. Yes, lady.
Ooh, two of them. Oh, a whole army. Oh, lots of pigeons. Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Una paloma grey. Come on, ragazza, stop running. Stay with me. I'm the most interesting here. Look, I'm going in circles for you. Stay with me. Don't go away. Where are you going? I even sang for you. Stay. Vieni qui. I'm the most interested in you. You're the most adorable. Oh, hello.
They see me rolling, they hating, 'cause I'm the coolest pigeon in the neighborhood. They see me rolling, they hating, 'cause I'm the boss of the brotherhood.
Yeah, Mr. Pigeon rolls the waves. Yeah. Oi, don't upset me. I'm the big boss here. This is my area. Go away. Hey, what did I tell you? Go. Stretch and get. Stretch again and get.
Ohio, Mr. Heron. I'm always cool as a cucumber. Don't upset me or I'm going to sumo wrestle you. Yes. And don't look at my kajemusha across the bridge. We are two different herons. So don't forget that. Arigato. Bye.
So tired of competition, I'm coming after you. Yes, you're bad.
I'm going to come after you too. Yes, you are bad. Okay.
Look at these fools are coming back.
Marhaba, كيف حالك? Can I tell you some Shahrazad stories? Come on, stay. 1, 2, out of the water. 3, 4, going for the slaughter. I'm going to eat all the pigeons.
Hey you, get out of there. This is my screen. Go. I told you already. Go.
I'd rather be travel, or still I'm alive.
Dum. And I want my food right now. Dum. I want my food too. Look, I can walk on water for that and on land too. Bad boys, boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys. Forget about bad boys.
We are the heroes, my friend. We are the heroes right now.
Oh, piece of.
Everybody attack, attack, you're on your own. Attack, attack.